Morning! We are off to Disney's Blizzard Beach today, water park, because it is another beautiful, sunny, hot day. So hot that I'm fogging up again. I've got my Jaded London bikini on, which is really cool. I love it and I love the colours. And then I'm just wearing like a baggy top and shorts. I like wearing a top that's long enough to wear as a dress for lunch, so that I don't have to like fully get dressed for lunch. I can just shove the top on. And I got my rucksack on, but I'm really excited. We both woke up not feeling so great, I think just because of our various health complaints. So we had a bit of a lie-in, and we're just really taking our time. We're just going to chill today. Yeah, and see where the day takes us. But I'm excited. We're here. Looks so different from when we last came. There was a snow castle back there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to go get pictures of that later because it looks really cool. And that was definitely new. It is such a stunning day. Really hot. Woo! We're getting straight in the lazy river because that's what we are today, lazy.
Will you give it one more time for me? Thank you. That'd be a go around.
Yay! Lunchtime, and this is take 2 because we've dropped number 1 on the floor. So yeah, hungry. It's like 5:15 or something like that, I think, and we're leaving because the water park is now closed. Had a lovely day. I'm knackered, but I'm really relaxed. I'm like that lovely sleepy relaxed because we spent the last little time just going around in the lazy river, which was lovely in the sun, and it's got a bit cooler because it's obviously later. But yeah, had a really nice day. I think we both prefer Typhoon Lagoon to Blizzard Beach. Just, I don't know, the vibe, and the water's a bit deeper in the lazy river and stuff like that, just little things. It's still lovely, but it's just our preference. So now we're going to get the bus back to our hotel, get out of these like beachy clothes, and then head to Magic Kingdom for the evening because it's open till 10. So we've got a couple of fast passes. Just probably going to grab something small, quick and easy for dinner. But yeah, have a lovely evening there. We've been so lucky with the weather. Literally, it's beautiful sunshine all day and has been for days on end. So loving life. Look how cute it is. We're at Magic Kingdom and it is so busy. We're really struggling to get anywhere to eat. We've come into Peco Bells in Frontierland and it's like Mexican. So we're going to get some nachos and stuff, some churros. But yeah, it's really hot and it's really busy still. I'm surprised at how busy it is. But yeah, totally changed my look. Costume change. We are hungry. That was delicious, as you can see from our empty plate. They were so tasty for a quick serve meal. And now we've got mini churros and chocolate sauce and a little red velvet cake for dessert. We'd missed one of our fast passes, but we didn't want to rush our food, so oh well.
Big strong suits of armor to march around and protect the castle.
Let me see those big marching feet. That means everyone. Let me see marching feet, marching feet, marching feet.
I'm going to take you a bit more.
You too, sir. You look absolutely ready to do this.
We'll need someone to play the master. The beast. He has a mighty roar.
Can I hear your mightiest roar on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Madame, you married
Next, we need Belle's mother, Maurice. Maurice gets locked in a dungeon where he shivers from the cold.
Let me see you shiver from the cold.
You're so good at it. Look who I saw. I spied my little eye. Something new with Elle. In the library.
And when she enters, we'll all shout, surprise!
That's a bright idea. All right, please stay quiet. When I say now, we'll all shout, surprise!
We thought it would be fun to act out a story with you. Very well, let us begin. Once upon a time, there was a charming, intelligent young woman whose name was Belle. Belle.
Oh no, yeah, look at the
Don't worry. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Waves in the magic mirror come from the farthest space, through wind and dark and let me see thy face. A blast of wind to thunder, a thunder to cast my spell. Alas, grant me
anything at Levi for 10 cents. And 1 cherry pies, of course.
Looks like the caterpillar cake. Doesn't it? Looks like the caterpillar cake I get at my birthday.
You there, snail. You are not spinning collectively.
Wow. Did you hear what he said? You there, snail. Not spinning correctly. Oh my god, it's Gus Gus! A Gus Gus. No! Gus Wow, the fairy godmother! My old boss. Wow, look at this! Oh my How lovely to be cast as them. This is amazing. I love this. I'm mind blown. Well, hey, is that meant to be good friends? It's amazing. Look at that dress. Bashful. Mwah. He caught my kiss and he blew me away. Yeah, it's creepy. Whoa! Look at that! Oh, he's so cute! Hey guys, we just got back to the room. It's like midnight. I don't really know what the time is, but I'm having problems with my legs because of my lupus. So yeah, that's bothering me, but I've taken some more painkillers and I'm hoping that'll kick in soon. I'm just basically gonna have a shower and go to bed because it's just late and I have to be up early in the morning because we are going to Universal Studios, which I'm actually really excited for. So many good rides there. The Mummy ride I'm excited for. The Minions we never got to go on before, so I'm really excited for that. I want to go back around Harry Potter World, OVS, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, it's going to be a really good day, but I'm just fucking knackered. But I've had such an amazing day. It was so nice to go to Magic Kingdom at the end of the day. The electrical parade was just blew my mind, and Wishes was just stunning, and I got quite emotional watching it. I teared up. It was just amazing. So yeah, I've had a few mini disasters along the way over the last couple of days I haven't really caught you up on, which include my GoPro has got like a big scratch on it, not on the screen thank god, but like on the side. One of the buttons on my brand new camera is just stuck, and I dropped my phone and smashed it. Yeah, so this holiday's been eventful. But we're at the halfway mark and I'm really sad about that. I just want to live here. Also, I'm really enjoying not wearing any makeup today, so I might just say fuck it, not wear any makeup tomorrow. I don't know if I can be bothered to put any on. How rough do I look on a scale of 1 to 10? About an 8? Right. Good night guys, I'll see you in the morning. Bye.